Morning folks. This video may be hijacked by Labrador assistants, but we'll do our best. Anyway, here's the thing. So many years ago I obtained this, which I'm sure most of you will be familiar with, or most of you watching this video will be familiar with. And I didn't really have a lot to do with it, or a lot to use it for, until this arrived. The problem with that is, of course, at the time I didn't have any tools. I'm pretty certain we all know how the tool converter fits on. Put it on there like that, twist it round till the lines meet up, and it lifts the belt off the rollers so you can fit a set of tools. Well, there was the other problem. At the time I didn't have a set of tools either. Thanks to eBay, this set came along. However, they aren't the correct set for that model, which is because the tool converter is totally different. It's designed to fit on the bottom of the machine. I think it's for a Turbo Master or something. Somebody might be able to put me right. So I thought, well, what can I do with this? Because on the original tool set, I've actually modified this. I'm not taking it to bits to show you how I've done it. I'll try and do my best. On the original, there's two lugs on there. I don't know if you can see them. There's two lugs on the side, and then basically the end of that just pushes on and the lugs hold it on. It's slightly different in here. On the original one, the hose fits quite snugly into there and clips on using a sort of spring clip affair. So I thought, well, what can we do with this? Well, what I did is I got a couple of screws and a piece of drain pipe tube and cut it to length so that when it went in there it just about touched where the fan belt was, and make sure that the screws were small enough so as you could twist that in there. But what I found was that the suction wasn't particularly good, so I thought, well, how can we make it a little bit better? Enter a larger piece of tubing. If you can see the diameters of those, one is slightly larger than the other, and that one just nicely slides on top of there. So what I do is I take that out a little way. When I want to use the tools, I push that in, push it as far as I can go, put that in upside down, try twisting it that way. It fits in better one way than the other, to be honest. It's like a bayonet fitting, but it's largely down to the screws, I think. Oh, it's not going to do it for me now. It twisted round before. Never mind. It's probably twisted. There we go. That'll have to do for now. And of course, I think there's a Labrador there. Yeah, there is. And of course, then when you switch it on, well, if the socket's switched on, it does help. We've got some suction. Now, admittedly, the suction isn't quite as good as what it would be with a normal hose, and believe it or not, I have now managed to obtain the proper hose, which means that these tools that are here may well be going on a certain auction site or elsewhere, to see if anybody can make better use of them once I have unconverted them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found that interesting. I'm sure some of the purists will be up in arms because I've converted a set of tools, but they are, what's the word? It's a reversible conversion. So no tools were really harmed nothing was really harmed in the making of that conversion. Thanks again. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.